I'm Bree from Aussie DIY Solutions, and today we're going to be going through our 10-metre corrugated roof installation kit. So I will be taking out all of the components and having a look at them one by one. So first of all, when you open up your corrugated installation kit, the first thing you will find is our mesh. So the mesh is 250 millimeters wide and is 10 millimeters long with a 3.9 millimeter aperture or hole size and is rated to a bell size 29. So the next thing that you'll find in your kit is our saddles, and they're COLORBOND match saddles. I'm just going to pop them down there. They are packaged obviously to ensure that they all stay together, but I do have one without the packaging on. The saddle is double ribbed for extra strength, and like I said, it is colour matched. Now, to secure your saddles to the roof, we also have the screws. So that's the saddle screws there in a pack, but again, I have one small here. That's colour match hex head for self-drilling screws. And so the next thing that we have in our box is our COLORBOND trim. This is colour matched to your gutters. And then obviously to secure those to your gutters, we have the trim screws, which is also hex head like our saddle screws there. And last but not least, we have our instructions. So these are easy to follow guides with line drawings to ensure that you can install the installation kit smoothly. And finally, there's a link for the YouTube clips on how to install this as a video.